Testing, testing, testing. Okay. Um, just going to show you my setup real quick on how I have set up my data science workstation here. Right now, as you can see, I have the SAS Studios. Um, in fact, let me switch over to Stream to Slack real quick. Post something in there. Let them know, this is serious. We take our work real serious right now. So hopefully, we're going to gel together. Everybody gets their leadership voice out there. You know what I'm saying? And we keep learning and we rock this. So that's what it's about. Get my share stream. We can keep it pushing. Yep. So here we go. Like I said, here's my setup. I actually hide my bookmarks, I guess, because I don't need my bookmarks right now. Okay, we're back in business real quick. So the first thing I want to show you is the on-demand SAS Studio. You should have it set up like this, where your SAS data files have been merged onto your on-demand site setup thing. I guess I haven't seen the introduction video yet, but I know that they recommend us to do it this way. This is all you really need. My SAS University edition, I'll show you. It's right here. The SAS University edition is up to date. I'm running it off of my VM player, which looks like this. And you basically paste this URL onto your browser. It brings you here. And when I start it, you get something that looks just like what I just had. You see, this is what I have now. Let me go to, let's see. This is what I have now. And yeah, I mean, we can do all this stuff. And this is what we have. My other step. I think I was working on some kind of file here. Let's see if I run this. Forget what do I actually get? What's my output on this? Yeah, so okay. Because I'm on demand, it's not linked to my C drive. So I actually have to it's example that file, right? So we need to see what does that file actually look like. So what I'm going to do is check the properties of this file to actually get the location. Copy that. And then in here, just put my end file location there. Now we're going to run it. Yeah, and I think something where we had to add a command where, if a student got an A, you got to remove them. And you want to see all the students that did not get an A. And I guess the cleanest way to do this in SAS would be to just simply enter the command, which makes sense over the long run. I know, and a lot of people are probably thinking, wait, well, in Excel, I could just do that. I could just sort it in order and then from Excel, swap it out or whatever. But I think in the long run, we're actually going to be making intricate programs and stuff like that. So it actually pays enough. Let me go back to my on-demand setup and see what it looks like. Yeah, so here's my on-demand. And if I wanted to upload a file, actually now it probably would work now with what they had last time. Let me go back to this. This probably would work if I copy this into my let me get a new program. Copy this whole thing. My God, we're gonna get good at this. We're gonna get really good at this. So if I run it, it should work because actually my SAS Studio is linked to my C drive. I believe it is. And if it isn't, I think I have it already in here as well. So I don't know. Let's see what happens. I think I got some kind of weird error. Okay. So, the code in my program here, it's not reading the info. But what I could do anyway, I mean, I guess I could just upload it based on my folders, and then just hit upload. And if I choose a file, I can just go straight to my C drive, SAS example dot. And then I upload it. Now it's there. Now my properties